Okay, now it doesn't look like much right now, but this is just completely freehand. Now I'm going to, square up my edges and do my inner edges here. So this is what this is going to roughly look like. And this is how it comes out, like that. Come on. Hold on. Yeah, you kind of put it in this way, and then this way, this hook up here kind of holds onto it. So I got a lot of work to do. Don't know if I'm gonna do. I'll tell you what, just when I think I'm getting better, I start feeling sick again. Just, this couldn't happen at a worse freaking time, you know, surgery, and then on top of that, getting COVID. So I'm having some issues from the surgery that I'm hoping will subside, and I won't be too explicit, but you know, when I had the bag here, I had gas come out all day long, you know. And now that gas is coming out the regular area, it's painful, you know. And I gotta, how do I delicately put this? I still have, geez, I have to let the gas out, or else it's just excruciating pain, and I have to be sitting on the toilet to let the gas out. So I'm on the toilet like 30, 40 times a day, and I'm afraid to get too far away from the toilet. The only reason I'm down here is because I got a bathroom here. Because if I let the gas out, other things come with it, okay? So I gotta drive to Dallas tomorrow. David's gonna ride my bike back, and his wife Kim is going, and this is a perfect opportunity for him to decide. She's gonna ride on my bike, I don't know, the whole way or part way. You know, when someone doesn't ride every day, you know, a couple 100 miles is a long time to sit on a little narrow seat. But if she does like it, David might buy a bike with a bigger seat, you know, something similar to my bike. I mean, you know, something similar to the Classic with the wider back seat, just so his wife can go with him more often. Well, anyway, I'm gonna probably have to stop an awful lot going out there tomorrow. And I'm not looking forward to getting that far away from the house until I get over this and get completely working normally, which I'm not, and feeling good. Charlie still feels like crap, and you know, 2 days ago I felt like I was getting better, and then yesterday and today I feel like shit. So who knows? I just don't get it. Anyway, I'm going to work on this a little bit more, and then I'm going to go home. So I won't be finishing this up today. Okay. You know, it starts off, I do things kind of backwards than most people. I start with way more material, and then I start working my way in and taking away what I don't like. And there's what we got. Now I gotta go put the edge on this. Put the edge on it, and it's done. Let this set Saturday and Sunday to dry, and then I'll get it in the mail Monday. Okay, the cleaver restoration project is done. I'm very happy with how that came out. It's a little, you know, still got a lot of leather dust and stuff in there, but I don't feel like walking on my garage and taking my air hose and blowing it out. I just don't have it in me to walk that far. I can walk home, and that's about it. Okay, so let's see if I can do this with one hand. The way you put it in is at an angle like this. You know, like at an angle like this, and then you bring it down here. Nice snug fit. Okay. Alrighty, I'm gonna go put the edge on it and head to the house. Have a good Saturday. By the time you see this, well, not by the time you see this. When you see this, in a few hours, I'll be headed to Dallas to go pick up my motorcycle. So Sunday, I'll maybe show you a few clips of the motorcycle.